Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and when I need a cup of soothing raspberry leaf tea, I love this one from FGO Origins. Raspberry leaf tea is something that I drink on a monthly basis and have been doing so for a few years. I just really like its earthy taste. It's very mild with a little bit of tartness to it, and it's so comforting and soothing to drink, especially in the evening before I go to bed. This has no caffeine in it, and it has a really nice smooth flavor. I let it steep for several minutes in order to get all the benefits out of it, and I boil the water just to about 170 degrees so that it's not overboiled. I love the FGO Origins tea bags because I can put them directly into my food scrap bin, and that makes me really happy. Really a superb raspberry leaf tea. I really enjoy every cup that I have of it, and that's my point of view.